For $5,000, transform your Citroën Ami into a retro 1947 Type H van. The Type Ami is arguably the coolest heavy quadricycle you can buy, featuring a redesigned exterior inspired by the iconic Citroën HY van. Italian coach builder Caselani has created a new conversion kit for the Citroën Ami. The Type Ami looks like a miniature version of the Citroën HY van from 1947. The EV is priced at €13,000, $13,400, while the fiberglass kit costs €5,000, $5,200. The Citroën Ami is getting a fresh look for 2025, but for those who want a bit more character and specifically, a retro twist, there's now the Type Ami. This conversion kit, crafted by Italian coach builder Caselani in collaboration with the Citroën Style Center, transforms the tiny EV into something that feels like it rolled straight out of a post-war French countryside. The man behind the design, David Obendorfer, has a track record of reimagining classic Citroëns, not to mention some other proposals that never materialized, like the Mercedes-Benz Icon EW115 and BMW CS Vintage Tributes. He's the same designer responsible for the Type H and Fourgonette van conversions, which modernized the Citroën Jumper, Jumpy, Space Tourer, and Berlingo while keeping their old-school charm intact. Like those models, the Type Ami takes inspiration from the Citroën Type H, HY, a popular utility van that was produced from 1947 to 1981. The transformation is achieved with a set of fiberglass body panels that mimic the distinctive corrugated metal of the original Type H. The kit comes with all the necessary brackets and screws for installation while keeping the donor car's greenhouse, door mechanisms, and lighting units unchanged. Buyers can choose from 9 standard colors, but Caselani will also offer custom paint matching for those who want something more unique. According to Obendorfer, originally, the Type Ami was intended as a one-off project for Fabrizio Caselani, the company's founder. However, after showing off the first running prototypes at the 24-hour Citroën 2CV race in Spa-Francorchamps, Belgium, the decision was made to offer it as a commercial product. To ensure the design stayed faithful to Citroën's vision, the final version was refined with input from a dedicated team at the Citroën Style Center, giving it an official nod of approval from the French automaker. While the exterior gets a full makeover, everything else remains unchanged. The Type Ami retains its 8 horsepower, 6 kilowatts/8 PS, electric motor and 5.5 kilowatt-hour lithium-ion battery. With a top speed limited to 28 miles per hour, 45 kilometers per hour, it's classified as a heavy quadricycle, meaning that in Europe, even 14-year-olds can get behind the wheel, just like with the closely related Fiat Topolino and Opel Rox Electric. The Type Ami will make its public debut at the Retromobile show in Paris on February 5. Pre-orders are already open, with prices starting at €13,000, $13,400. For existing Citroën Ami owners who want to upgrade their ride, the conversion kit alone costs around €5,000, $5,200.